This is 3407 Hockey Puck. 3407 Hockey Puck. I need to take this down on eBay. Alright, WM with 4, John had 4, Diver 10, Josh 2, Nick 4, Andy with 6 there. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Pacing column B next to 32 or 31 NHL teams. Soon to be 32. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nick Winter, you're on top. And John, you're on the bottom. 5 times for 5 times. Group you guys together. Andy, Coyotes, Bruins, Red Wings, Panthers, Rangers, Pens, Divers, Sabres, Avalanche, Kings, Wild, Canadians, Devils, Islanders, Sharks, Lightning, Caps. John, Hurricanes, Blue Jackets, Senators, Flyers, Jets. Josh, Oilers, Knights. Nick, Ducks, Blackhawks, Stars, Canucks. WM, Flames, Preds, Blues, and Maple Leafs. Gotcha, man. Any trades here, guys? Any trades? Hockey Puck. I'm gonna, as soon as I gotta take that down on eBay real quick. We'll take that down real quick. Alright guys, 5 seconds, we're gonna rip it. We're gonna grip it and rip it here. Good to go. He's a beast. Brandon Saul. They're all very good players, you know. They're all no scrubs. They're all the players are on their current team. All the players on the current team. Alright, Team USA Puck, USA Hockey. Jimmy Vesey. Jimmy Vesey, USA Hockey. Alright. DA card roll certificate. Jimmy Vesey. Love me some hockey mini helmets this time of year. Jesse Vesey. Shit, call for Knights Henry. Jimmy Vesey. Oh, Jimmy. He's a left winger for the Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo Sabres. Kind of had an idea. They like the Buffalo Sabres. Alright, Jimmy. Slippin' J. There you go, boss. 3407. Got yourself a hockey puck. Alright, man. You bought 10 or more. Guaranteed a bonus break spot. 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. And Josh. Josh and Diver, Jimmy. Alright, that was 3407. Both of you guys will get a free spot into the bonus break. Alright, 3407. 3407, Hockey Puck. Good. And alright, premium mini helmets up next. Premium jersey, 2 premium jerseys select. Another premium jersey, plates and patches. Then I have a hockey mini helmet with 617 left. Alright guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Thank you. Have a good one.